Alright, so I broke the half-inch drive already, and it is kind of, it does prove a point though. It's as if you were using it thousands of times, loosening it and tightening it, loosening it. It shows you the point of failure. I gotta finish breaking these though, because I gotta go to Harbor Freight. I'm not just gonna return one. It's probably like, I forgot how far away it is. Brand new. Got a pipe right here. It's not too big. Got a bigger pipe right here. So we're gonna break this one. I just bolted quickly welded a bolt on there. Let's see. So we got the adapter. All right. Socket. And I'm thinking we should go to tighten it. Look at this though. You can see this rubber starting to give already on my hand. That's it. Done. Done. It's done. That one's done, dude. You can see the it really does show you that what gives. On a lot of other ratchets, this breaks off, but in this case it looks like basically what's given is the pawl, the two pawls, and the so it's done. That's done. And to be honest with you, that didn't take that much force, but obviously this thing's done. That one's broken. So, like I said, you're not supposed to be putting that much force. Right here, it seems like the handle doesn't go all the way down, and it's kind of like bending right here. I don't have no pliers to show you, but the metal seems to go down to right here, and then when you really torque on it, it's starting to bend right there. But like I said, obviously you're not going to be putting a 27-inch socket on yours. See if we could break this one. I'm probably going to jump on the pipe for this one. Boy, I hope somebody over there is not watching this. So we'll just take the adapter off of this one, and then we'll put it on this one for 3/8. And we'll go to this one, go to tighten it too. I'm gonna put a pipe on it. Woo, that was loud. That's toast. 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 No, it's not very scientific, but it does show you where the point of failure is. So you're gonna know. And if that fails on you like that, you're gonna have some bloody knuckles. It's done. So it shows you basically, this is not what fails. The handle doesn't fail. To be honest with you, I'm not really impressed. So, it's broken. But a lot of other professional ratchets, this pops off. So, no, it's not very scientific, but it does show you though. And it actually still kind of works. Kind of. It's still kind of, It's messed up for sure. You can't really tell just by doing this. So, but it's not holding anything now though. It's messed up. It's no good, dude. It's gone. Still has a little bit. Let me see if we'll if it's the same tool to open it as the other one. Let's take a look inside real quick. So I'm just gonna open it. Remember, this thing pops off. To be honest with you, I'm not real impressed. To be honest with you, you know. Yeah. I am abusing them. Don't get me wrong. Believe me, I am abusing them. Let's see. I'm gonna put this in the middle. Maybe it won't pop out if it's in the middle. So the pawls themselves don't look like they're really too bad. I think that's what they're called, right? Pawls? It looks like, see the metal? Sorry. Damn, I dropped my light. The teeth are chewed up like crazy. They're chewed up. I gotta be honest, man. Not too impressed, to be honest with you. So that's the point of failure. And that does show a lot, really, because a lot of professional ratchets, they bust right here before those teeth give like that. And to be honest with you, I'm not gonna do it to the snap-on, but I'm pretty sure snap-on's gonna hold more than that. But then again, I mean, what's the price difference? You know, you're talking about over 10 times as much. But you know, that's the point of failure though. Sorry, it's hard for me to see. Those teeth just give way. So anyways, so let me put this back together. I'll put that back, and then I don't know, man. I will, I guess I'll hold on to them. I was thinking about just, you know, exchanging them for something else that I really need, because I have so many ratchets. I don't even need these ratchets. I just wanted to review them. Anyways, so I may hold on to them, or I may not. I may just exchange them for something else. Well, if it's warranty, if they're broken, they're probably just going to want to just warranty it. I don't know. Anyways, thanks for watching. Comment, rate, and subscribe.